Alrighty guys, welcome to your 19th AJAX tutorial, and in this video what I want to do is, well, I think it's pretty obvious. We need to add some styling. We need to work on that CSS because if you're looking at this, I mean, for real, this looks like the first website ever made. It's horrendous. So let's go ahead and work on that Bucky CSS file. So I'm just going to go ahead and put new, and I'll save this as bucky.css. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have two different sets of styles. Now each style is going to be composed of three classes. One class is going to be for the overall table, like background color, pretty much the overall style of the table. Another class is going to be for the head, and the other class is going to be for each individual item. So again, I'm going to have one overall style, or one theme, I'll call it, for the dude, and one theme for the chick. And then we'll go ahead and set everything in JavaScript depending on what button they click using some cool AJAX. But for right now, we just need to go ahead and worry about the styles. So I'll go ahead and call the dude table. You see how I came up with that name? Alright, dude table. And what do we want to do for the dude table? Let's just go ahead and put a border of 3 pixels solid. And here is a cool reddish color that I use a lot. CC0000. And that's just nice, a red color. What's another background color we can use? Background color. Here's one of my favorites. 0099CC. And this is actually one of my, it's like a shade of blue, but it's an awesome shade of blue. Can't wait to show you. And since we have, kind of a dark red and a kind of a darker blue, we want to actually change the color of the text for the entire table to white. It'll be a little bit easier to see. So now what I want to do is, this is the overall styling that we're going to apply to the entire table. Now what I want to do is I want to apply individual styles to the head, which says things in my pocket, and also the items, which are chapstick and cell phone, because usually the point of a head on a table is to make it stand out, like list the categories or columns. So you want the head to be different than, just a regular data, or else it's all going to blend in together. So now what I want to do is make another class called dude head. And I'm just going to set the font family to Verdana, not Vardana. Verdana. Maybe that's how you say it. I don't freaking know. Set the font weight to bold because bold is manly and it is the head. And set the font size to 18 pixels. And whenever we put the chick head, we'll make the font size a little bit smaller because guys are generally bigger than women. That's just biology. And now the last thing we need to do is take care of the items styling. So we're going to put dude, and we'll just go ahead and put items, I guess. Now for font family, we'll just go ahead and copy this, but we're going to change it to Arial, and we'll just go ahead and copy this font size. And we'll put this at 16 because I would like if the head is a little bit, if the text on the head is a little bit bigger than the items right there. I think it will look a little bit, more. Sorry, just lost my train of thought. So now what I want to do is, this is basically the styling for one theme, the theme of the dude. So let me just go ahead and copy this, and I'm just going to add a comment so I don't get confused about where things are. And I'm going to change all this to chick. So wherever I see dude, chick table, chick head, chick items. Chick dude kind of sounds like a cool word. Chick dude. Hey, chick dude. Nah, it isn't. I changed my mind. So what I want to do for the chick table is I'll just go ahead and give it a bigger border, 10 pixel solid, in a pink color that I actually like a lot. I mean, I don't like it. I mean, my sister likes it. That's what I meant to say. 3399. Now for the border color, I'll give it a nice yellow in FFFFU. No, I'm just kidding. 00 for the yellow. And the color is not white because white would not show up good on here. So the default coloring of all text is black. So we don't need to specify black because that's just what it's going to be. So now for the chick head, Let's go ahead and give a font family Georgia. It's kind of a girly, it's kind of has those little wavy things on it. And font family, or excuse me, font weight, I guess that can stay bold since it is the head. But we do want to make this a little bit smaller since, chick's a little bit smaller. And let's just go ahead and change this font family to Georgia 2 for the items. The font size is going to be 14. And one other thing I want to do is I want to change font style italic because it kind of gives you the feeling that like cursive girls italic, I don't know, just kind of I'm just following my heart here, guys. So basically what we did in this video is we set two main themes. Now remember, by default, as soon as our web page opens, it's not going to have any theme because we don't know what the user is yet. So we're going to give them the option of choosing I'm a dude or I'm a chick, or if they're bored they can just click each back and forth. But basically what we're going to do is we're going to set this style if they click I'm a dude, and this style if they click I'm a chick. And we're going to be doing that through AJAX and JavaScript. So right now, even though we saved it and linked to it, nothing happens. So we need to add the mediator of the JavaScript file, and we're going to be doing that in the next video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you then.